Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Radiant Char W/A for Southbend part number 1192319. Radiant Char W/A for Southbend part number 1192319 is a replacement. Radiant Char for Southbend commercial ovens. This part is made of high-quality stainless steel and is designed to provide even heat distribution throughout the oven. It features a unique design that allows it to fit perfectly into the existing oven cavity, ensuring a secure fit and maximum efficiency. The Radiant Char W/A for Southbend part number 1192319 is an essential component of any commercial kitchen, as it helps to ensure that food is cooked evenly and consistently. This part is easy to install. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Radiant Char W/A for Southbend part number 1192319 is designed to fix the following symptoms: excessive smoke or odor coming from the oven, poor heat distribution in the oven, uneven cooking results. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the Southbend oven. 2. Remove the old Radiant Char from the oven by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Place the new Radiant Char into position and secure it with the screws that were removed in step 2. 4. Connect the wires to their respective terminals on the back of the Radiant Char, making sure to match up colors and polarity correctly. 5. Turn on the power to the oven and test for proper operation of your new Radiant Char. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.